Hello and welcome back. So this is Monday evening and this is after we have been at Homeschool Co-op all day long. So we are all exhausted and we're hungry. So tonight I'm going to be serving this Carolina style barbecue. I started it last night and it cooked all night in the crock pot in some vinegar. And then when I got home, I shredded it up, added some extra seasonings, and got it hot again. So we're going to be eating that on these buns from Sam's. They're actually leftovers from our fall festival on Sunday. I organized that, so the church sent me home with extra food, and so we're going to be eating those on the buns tonight. I'm also going to be serving it with this Asian cabbage salad from Sam's. I know typically you eat coleslaw with barbecue, but this is what I had tonight, and so this is what we're having. So this is 2 packages of that. And then finally, we're gonna also be having beans. This is the 3 cans of baked beans that I bought at Aldi, and you may have seen that in the video that I recently posted. This was from that shopping trip. So this is dinner for tonight. It's nothing elaborate, but it will get the job done. Okay, today is Wednesday. I did not film yesterday's dinner. It was spaghetti, spaghetti with marinara sauce. So today we're going to be doing a new crock pot meal. It's chili Frito pie by Julia Pacheco. I'll link to it in the description below, but this is like a really simple meal. So the original recipe calls for you to brown some ground beef with onion and taco seasoning. So I've done this here. I'm going to add this to the pot in just a minute, but I left the ground beef out. I'm going to set it aside separately for people who want to have the beef in there to use more as a condiment than having it mixed in, because I'm vegetarian. So okay, so now I'm going to add the beans. The rest, Butterfingers. The recipe actually calls for mixed chili beans, but I don't have that. So I'm doubling it here. So I have 2 cans of kidney and 2 cans of black beans that I'm just pouring in. And let's see here. Lovely background noises going on here. Okay, so that's the 2 cans of beans, 4 for me because I'm doubling. The recipe called for 2 cans of Rotel. I only have 1, so I'm doing 1 can of diced tomatoes. Actually, I'm doing 2 cans of diced tomatoes because I want extra tomatoes in there. So maybe I'm using Julia's recipe more for inspiration, and I'm veering off on my own. So there's the Rotel tomatoes. And then it calls for 2 cans of tomato sauce. So we're going to pour that in here. And I am going to add my onions and taco seasoning in, and then we'll give it a stir. Okay, I have poured the onion and taco seasoning in the pot. So it was 2 onions, a cup of water, and 4 tablespoons of taco mix. I have a feeling that once this gets heated up, I'm going to add in some more chili powder and things, because I know exactly how my crew likes things to taste. So I have a feeling that much, or I should say that little seasoning is not going to do it for us. But I'm going to let this cook on in the crock pot on high for 2 hours. And then I will taste the seasonings and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is done cooking and I've already seasoned it. I'm using a slotted spoon here so that it's not too soupy. So I'm just going to drain this off and then pour it over the Fritos. And then I'm going to put some shredded cheese. Whoop, that's steaming everything up. Then we'll do some sour cream. Oh, and also some shredded lettuce on top. And it's ready to go. Today is Friday and I always have a little bit more time to think about dinner for Friday. So we're gonna have a nicer meal tonight. The really nice meal is gonna be tomorrow, but tonight I'm serving grilled chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, baked potatoes, some broccoli, and some cheesy garlic biscuits. So, okay, so here are my baking potatoes. I still need to poke holes in them and stick them in the oven, but they're nice and washed now. And then let's come over here to where I have my boneless, skinless chicken thighs marinating. Ryan will grill those for me. And then I'm getting ready to go ahead and get started on mixing up the drop biscuits, even though it's gonna be a while till I can get those in the oven because I haven't even started the potatoes yet. Say hi, Alistair. What are you looking in the trash for?
Nothing.
Nothing.
And I so high.
Okay.
I can hold the camera for you.
Oh, you can? You can hold the camera for me?
Yeah, you want me to do it?
Well, I don't need you to right now, but thank you for offering.
Yeah.
Okay, dinner is ready. There is the grilled chicken, and there's already several plates made back there, so that's why it looks like there's so little. The steamed broccoli, baked potatoes, and the garlic cheese muffins. Okay, tonight is Saturday night, and we are having sage turkey baked meatballs with this creamy Parmesan orzo. And this is what it looks all plated up. It is going to be delicious. This is a brand new recipe that I never tried before, and I think it's gonna be a keeper for sure. But I'll put the card for the video where I cooked this at the end of the video.